Hey, I'm Taylor Siebert, founder of Strive Education. I'm so glad you're here and welcome to the Media Program Starter Kit. If you're new to broadcasting or digital media, or simply looking for improved tools to engage your students, you are in the right place. We've pulled 5 of our best lessons straight from our curriculum, the one all the teachers tell us to save them the most time and get the students the most excited. Inside, you'll find everything you need: slides, handouts, examples from students, and easy to run activities for your class. You'll cover topics like digital media foundations, poster design in Canva, broadcast graphics, camera angles, and even how to build your school's brand. So feel free to navigate each lesson however it fits your classroom or club. And don't forget to check the files section. That's where all the downloads live for each of the activities that you go through. If you're looking for more lessons or want to go deeper with your program, you can always reach out to us for a 7-day free trial of our complete broadcast and digital media curriculum. This kit is your jumpstart, and we want to be here to help you and your students grow through this process of building your program. So dive in, pick your first lesson, and let's get started.